Good morning, students. Welcome to Melu Classroom. I hope you all are doing great at home, right? So, enjoying with your parents and having lots of fun and learning with Melu, right? So, I am back here to teach you a new topic today. But before that, let's do a warm up by singing a song. Yes? So, we will sing a song that is Bubble and Pop, right? So, we will sing a song on bubbles, bubble and pop, right? So, are you ready to sing along with me? Very good. So, let's start. One little red fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. One little red fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Two little blue fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. Two little blue fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Three, right? Three little yellow fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. Three little yellow fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Four, right? Four little green fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Five little pink fish swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. Five little pink fish swimming in the water, bubble, 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 pop. Yes, so did you enjoy singing the song, children? On numbers 1 to 5, and we learned bubble, 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 pop, right? So let's start our today's session. So children, today we are going to learn a new shape, that is square. What is the shape? Square. Yes, do you want to see how a square look like? Yes. So this is a square. What is the shape, children? Square. Say it again loudly.
Square.
Square, right. So, children, this is a square. Children, this is a square. A square has sides. What are these? Sides. Yes, children. So, a square has 4 sides. Yes, children, let's count how many sides are there in a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many sides does a square has?
4.
So, a square has
4.
4 sides. Yes, and all the 4 sides are equal. Yes, children. So, all the 4 sides in a square are equal. And children, do you know these sides meet at a point? Yes, this is a point. This side and this side meet at a point, right? These are called corners. Yes, children, what are they called? Corners. So, a square has how many corners? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many corners are there in a square? 4 corners. So, a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And remember, children, all the sides in square are equal. Yes, and you know, what does a square say? I'm a square, you can see me everywhere. I have 4 equal sides I'm a square, I'm a square. Yes, children, shall we sing again? Yes. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have four equal sides. I'm a square, I'm a square. Yes, yes. So this is a square. And children, do you know, if you rotate the square in any direction, yes, if you rotate the square in any direction, it looks the same. So children, let's see few examples of square. Yes, so here I have few things which are in the shape of a square. So let's see one by one. Children, here I have a plate. Yes, children, and it is in the shape of a square because it has got four sides and all are in equal. Yes, and here I have a mouse pad, and this is also in the shape of a square. It has got four sides and four corners. Yes, and children, I have few biscuits here. Yes, and they are in the shape of a square. Very good. Let's count how many sides are there in the biscuit. Yes, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it has four equal sides and so the biscuit is in the shape of a square. And here I have a book. Yes, children, and it is in the shape of a square again. Yes. So, 1, it has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the sides are equal. So, it is in the shape of a square. Children, I have a dice. What is this? Dice, right? So, and can you see, children? The face of the die is in the shape of a square. And here I have a tissue. Children, we use a tissue, right? We use a tissue to clean ourselves. So, this tissue is also in the shape of a square. And I have a box. And the face of the box is in the shape of a square. I have another box here. And this is in the shape of a square. It has got four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, these all the things here on the table are in the shape of a square. So, children, to help you understand better about the shape square, I'll tell you a very short story of Mr. Square. So, let's get into the story. So, children, this is the story of Mr. Square. He is Mr. Square. Yes, children, say hi to Mr. Square. Hi, Mr. Square. Yes, so let's see, one day it was a holiday for Mr. Square and so he went to his friend's home. Yes, children, we all love to play with our friends on a holiday, right? So, Mr. Square went to his friend's home and let's see what is in his friend's. What did he see in his friend's home, right? So, let's go. Yay! So, Mr. Square went to his friend's home and there he saw a window. Yes, children, what is this? Window, right? And looking at the window, Mr. Square thought the window is also in the shape of a square and it was just like him. Yes, children? So, what is the shape of the window? It is in the shape of a square. And then he saw his friend was playing with the Rubik's Cube. Yes, children, what is this? Rubik's Cube, right? So his friend was playing with the Rubik's Cube and he was very happy because he was a bit late and so he did not get the Rubik's Cube to play. Yes, and children, do you know what a Rubik's Cube is? I'll show you. So this is the Rubik's Cube. Yes, children, this is the Rubik's Cube. And you know, and children, see, the face of the Rubik's Cube is in the shape of a square. So, Mr. Square, looking at the Rubik's Cube, Mr. Square thought the Rubik's Cube was just like him. Yes, it was just like a square. And then he looked at the wall and there he saw a clock. What is this? What is this? Clock, right? So, and looking at the clock, he thought that the clock is in the shape of a square and he thought the clock is also just like him. Yes, it is in the shape of a square. And then he saw his another friend was playing with the carom board. Yes, children, he was playing with the carom board. And children, have you ever seen how a carom board looks like? Yes. So, here is the carom board. So, and looking at the carom board, Mr. Square thought this is also in the shape of a square and this was just like him. This is also just like him because carom board is in the shape of a square. And he saw his friends were playing with the chess. Yes, what are they doing? His friends are playing chess. And children, do you know how a chessboard looks like? So, here is the chessboard and he saw his friends were playing chess. Yes, and looking at the chessboard, Mr. Square thought this chessboard is also in the shape of a square and it was just like him. Yes, children, this chessboard is also just like him. So, it is also in the shape of a square again. So, Mr. Square, though he was a bit late to play with his friends, he also started playing with his friends. So, he played with the Rubik's Cube, carom board and chess. Yes, and he found so many things at his friend's home which are in the shape of a square. Yes, children. So, and this is the story about Mr. Square. So, children, Mr. Square enjoyed his holiday and has seen so many things which are in the shape of a square. So, now how was the story of Mr. Square, children? Very interesting, right? So, now it's your turn. Find out and search at your home all the things that are in the shape of a square. Yes, children? So, it's your task to identify and list the items that are in the shape of a square. Yes. So, let's start searching. Right? So, let's do an activity. So, children, I have bought few popsicles for you. Yes. So, let's count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, using these 4 popsicles, I will make a square. So, let's start. First, you need to place one popsicle, then another popsicle, another popsicle and the last. And this is a square. Hey! So, we have made a square using 4 popsicles. Yes, children? So, children, we have learned so many things about the shape square, right? So, now let's sing a song on square. So, let's start singing a song. Are you ready to sing along with me? Here we go. This shape has four same sides, four same sides, four same sides. This shape has four same sides. It has four corners too. This shape is called a square, called a square, called a square. This shape is called a square. I just want to tell you. We'll sing it again. This shape has four same sides, four same sides, four same sides. This shape has four same sides. It has four corners too. This shape is called a square, called a square, called a square. This shape is called a square. I just want to tell you. Hey! So, we have learned to sing a song on square. Yes, children? So, let's practice tracing the shape square. So, children, this is a square. So, children, this is a square. And here I have a toy car for you. So, we will trace the shape square using the toy car. Let's start. Yes, children? So, we'll start from here. Yes? Hey, so I have traced the shape. Let's trace it again. So, how many sides I have traced, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and I have made a square. Hey, so I have learned to trace the shape square. So children, now let's trace the shape square using buttons. Yes, so I have bought few buttons for you. Yes, here are few buttons and here I have a shape square, and now let's place buttons on the shape. Yes, tracing the square. Let's start. So we will start from here. So children, here I have made a square using these buttons. Yes. Children, now let's make a funny bear using the shape in the shape of a square. Yes. And we need a paintbrush and a color white. I have taken white color. Yes, children. So we will make a funny bear. Because bear is in brown color, I took brown chart in the shape of cut in the shape of a square and few small squares of with black color sheet. Yes, so what I did, I have cut a small chart in the shape of a square and I'll place here. Yes, and this is the square. Now I need to paste the ears. Ears for the bear. Yes, here we go. Another ear. Yes, I have stick 2 ears on the bear's face, and now let me place the eyes. And the nose. Yes, children. So I have made the face of a bear with all the shapes with all the square shapes in it. Yes, the face is in the shape of a square. Its ears are in the shape of a square, and eyes and nose is also in the shape of a square. Now let me draw the whiskers. Yes, children. Now I'll draw whiskers on it. Yes, you can draw the whiskers using a crayon. Yes, or else you can use a paintbrush. To make the whiskers. Yes. Hey. So this is my funny bear with the shape squares in it. Yes, children. So I have made this funny bear using the square shapes. So children, we have done many activities. Yes? Interesting? Right. So children, now it's your turn. You need to practice doing these all hands-on activities at your home with your parents and have lot of fun with squares. Yes. So now children, it's time to do the activity in the book. Children, we have an activity here. Let's see what is there. So we have few shapes here and let's identify what shapes are they. This is a square, this square, this square, and this is a square, this is also a square, this is also a square, this is also a square. No. And what is this? This is a circle. Well done children. Good memory. And this is a square. So we have few squares and a circle. Now we need to connect all the squares with a line. Yes children, what we need to do? We need to connect all the squares with a line. I'll show you how to do. Right? So first you need to connect, this is a square, right? Connect this square to here and these two, and this is a square. Connect these two squares again, and these two squares, and these two squares. So did I connect all the squares together with a line? Yes. So you have this activity in your Melo book, right? So you need to connect, identify and connect all the squares together with a line. Yes children, you all will do this homework, right? Yes. Very good. So children, we have learned today a new shape, that is square. So your task is to identify and list out the things at your home which are in the shape of a square, right? Which are in the shape of a square. So that's all for today's session children. See you later. Have a good day. Bye.